Everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of permissions on Snapchat. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of purchases on Snapchat, you should just go to settings. In the first, you can go to apps and you can click on Snapchat. Sorry, not here. You will go to Snapchat app. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors so you can delete your account. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching. Goodbye.